Hey everyone, Randy Don, a marathon coach here. Hey, we just want to invite you and give you a little sneak peek to the Marathon Family Ugly Sweater Contest.
Yes!
Yes, as you can see, we are decked out.
Yes.
I have the lights, I have bells.
He's cheating.
I got everything. So hope you enjoy this little sneak preview of the Ugly Sweater Contest, and make sure you make mention of the lights and bells.
Hello, Randy and Don.
Hey, nice sweater.
Turn around.
Just the beaver shirt itself.
Hey, we hope you all enjoyed the Ugly Sweater Contest because we had a great time putting it on for you.
Yeah, and I'm sure you really enjoyed all the different sweaters and the Marathon family. So just want to also let you know it's not too late before the end of the year. If you want to upgrade from the coach that you're in, or if you're looking for a new marathon, check out our website and feel free to call us, Randy Don and a Marathon Coach, or reach out to anyone in Texas or Oregon, Florida, any of those locations. And we have great inventory right now. We have some great deals, end of the year deals before 19 ends.
Don't miss out.
No, don't miss out. Somebody's going to get a great deal before a great Christmas present, actually.
Whoa, there you go.
So,
Talk to Santa.
Yeah, talk to Santa. See if Santa can help you out there. So,
We'd just like to wish you a very Merry Christmas
from us and the Marathon family. Keep watching Randy Don and the Marathon Coach.